Hi, want to know फायदे की बात? HDFC Securities is bringing you a host of exciting फायदे के features on its trading platforms to help you trade smart and fast. Let's dive in. IPOs are trending, right? You may think the process to pay for your IPO application is complicated, but it's actually as simple as paying for your evening pizza. Introducing IPO with UPI, our फायदे का feature number 3. How does it work? Fill up the application and enter your UPI ID in the payment option. You will receive a request on your UPI app to block the funds required. Enter your UPI PIN and authorize the transaction. Wasn't that simple? All these and many more फायदे के features are available with HDFC Securities. Visit hdfcsec.com/फायदे के features for more information.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.